I want to do an update on a tiny home and the electrical. Let me tell you what. If you can use 3-inch Schedule 40 conduit, do it. Make sure you put wire lube on it before you start and then cement it at the end. The hardest part was getting it up that bend. Had to kind of restart from the beginning because I decided to cement it and not put wire lube. But it'll be power, ground, neutral. What that looks like, you got your 4.0 wire, power, 4.0, neutral, ground, 2.0. And then your electric company will hook on to your meter.